You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Sandra. Yeah? You lying for me? You telling me you dey in house and you didn't dey? Sandra, you still lying. Every time you lying. Because I know they ain't allowed. You lying. You going where you liking. Okay? You going where you liking.
Izo, I'm sorry. When you called, I was close by.
Sorry, sopukwa gone. Nonsensical. Every time you lying. How am I knowing the pregnancy is me? No, telling me how am I knowing the pregnancy is me?
Izu, how can you say a thing like
that? Shut up! You lying every time, you lying. Every small thing, you lying. No problem, I know what you're doing. You're going to celebrating your birthday with another boyfriend, okay? You know, I suffering myself, bringing cake for you. I suffering myself, going round and round to looking for love cake, to bringing for you. Okay?
Izu, you know that's not true.
Talking to me like that, I'll be breaking your head. Talking to me like that. You telling me lying, eh? You lying to me. You lying to me. You lying for me, okay? You lying for me. Oh. You going to celebrating my day. I buy cake. I buy love cake. I buy cake. I buy loving cake for you. I buy loving cake for you. And you going to celebrate my day. Chopping it. Chopping it. Chopping the cake. Eh? Chopping the cake. Chopping the cake, chopping it, chopping it, chopping the cake now. Isu! Chopping it, chopping it. Isu! Chopping it. Isu! Nonsensical. Isu! Nonsensical. Isu! What is it? What is it? What is concerning you here? What is concerning you here?
Look how you are maltreating her.
What is concerning you? What is concerning you?
You are maltreating her that way.
It is your business. Come on, my friend, respect yourself. Respect yourself. If you try to put in your mouth in my affair, what is concerning? What shall I go? Nonsensical. Going to celebrating birthday with another boyfriend. Chopping the cake, chopping it.
Isu.
Okay, respect yourself. Let me come in here again.
Some women are idiots. I don't know what I'll be doing with a man that will raise his hands and hit me. Sincerely, I don't.
I don't even know what you see in that stark illiterate.
Is that my mother?
Who? Izu, and you're not picking this call.
He will kill me if I don't.
If he dares raise his hand on you, I will kill him.
Inspector Judith, it's good you are passing, and me and you were jamming here. look me in the eye. Now, water. Please. I know perfect. Even you are not perfection. Everybody have sin and have offense. Water go. Please. Left me and my girlfriend alone. You know go. If you liking me, come open, speak out. Let me know. Why pretending and harassing me all the time? Why? See, if you want to owe me, no problem. I can belong to you, no problem. I can leave my girlfriend and belong to you. It is no problem. So stop harassing me.
Whatever you do with your girlfriend is none of my business.
Mo.
But as an officer of the law, it is my duty to protect the rights of the citizens of this nation. Now, leave my way before I arrest you for obstruction.
Arrest me? You want to arrest me? See, no problem. I know you have my telephone and I have your telephone, so I can link in you or you link me anytime. Come, I'm servicing you if you want. After all, my girlfriend is not available.
I will have nothing to do with a butcher like yourself.
Be fine, Uncle. Please, remove that gun from my face.
The fact that my hands are tied from arresting you doesn't mean I won't arrest you soon. Leave my way.
Arrest me. Okay, very soon. Arrest me. Arrest me. See, you cannot arrest vigilante. I have connection. You don't have connection.
When I have enough evidence against you, I will arrest you.
Evidence.
Get out of my face.
Remove the car from the main road.
For sale? My property. Property I paid with my money. Ah, no. It can be. Yes, Chairman. I am at the site. I want you here now. Yes, now. Stop asking me questions. Come over here. Better do. So, what is the meaning of this?
Chief, I don't understand.
You don't understand?
For sale?
Did I not pay every money you required from me?
Of course you did, Chief.
I paid everything. And so, what is this?
I'm confused myself. Let me call the number, please.
Collect the money for the arm.
Who they call you? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Who is this? Who am I speaking with?
Now you call my phone, now you they ask me who I be, you the Grace.
Oh, is that what you have to say? Anyway, I am not here to banter words with you. I saw this number on my property and I don't know what it means.
Which phone number? For where?
Listen to me. What I am saying is that I saw this number on my property and you say that the property is for sale. Who are you, please?
Yeah, that's good. You're talking to Mega, the secretary of the vigilant group of this community.
And so, what has the vigilante got to do with my property? The property that I use my ad money to buy. Listen to me, it will interest you to know that you are talking with the chairman of this community.
Hey, Chairman, now you they talk like this. Now you they ask what vigilant get to do with property. Oversee this man. Chairman, no way. Chairman, you know say we they collect our levy now. You know say now we they protect this place. We they collect our levy. You know what's up? I beg Chairman, see, no need people they talk all these things. Come on, come office.
Then I should come to your office. No problems. I'll be there in a jiffy. Okay.
Listen, Chairman. I hope you're not playing games with me.
Oh,
Chairman.
Chief, how can you say a thing like that? Please, let's go to the office, please.
Community vigilante.
How much is the levy? Now you want talk better talk.
You know plenty o. Forget say chairman dey frown face. Na ordinary 200,000
Only 200 what? You must be out of your senses. Now listen to me, all of you. If I ever see any of you go close to that property again, I'll make sure that you are arrested. Not only that, I would make sure you rot in jail. It is a promise.
Aye, grandma.
Oga Chairman, you be very bad man. You be evil man. You be conquered man. You don't collect your share. You don't stop your share. You don't chop our own share. Now the whole thing will take you off for over 2 years. You be conquered man.
Listen to me. I believe that all of you here, you know who I am.
Who you be?
No, you wait.
Who you be?
This is Chief Godson. I am Chief Godson. You know me very well.
Oh, God of geography, chemistry and physics.
And for your information, listen to me. Listen good. The land in question belongs to me now.
Yes.
No longer to him. Do you understand that?
Nothing will not go here. Nothing will not go here. For land will be say, under sun, we don't get this land. Under rain, we don't get this land. For day, for night, we don't get this land. You chairman, you wicked. You a very wicked man. You collect your own money. You collect your own, chop and finish. You know what make we collect our own? For complete 2 years, we pity you now.
Mega.
The money for be 2 million.
Calm down.
When I get luck, say you know the year. When I get luck, say you get. If you don't slap her, come for your
He said, "He don't see.
slap you. Nobody can slap me in the
Mega.
community. Nonsense, Nigeria Limited.
Mega. Oga Chief. You bad evil man. You conquered man. You a nyashe man.
What's up? What do you do now?
Nah, carrot. I bet boss no play again.
Chairman, I've been at Chairgoat, you they call yourself, and your white and white friend. Make una come on here.
Come on, where? If I come back
Chairman a evil man o. Chairman a bad man o. And he tell you to believe you.
Mega, carrot, make I tell you. You see that 200,000 naira when I dey talk? No be 200,000 naira again. Now 400,000 now.
There is no way I will pay an extra money for a property I have already acquired. Vice Chairman, all I need is your support. You know that I have the power to remove both the commissioner and the DPO. You know that very well.
Chief, why don't you pay these people their money? Huh? Pay them. I mean, if you can pay such a huge amount of money just to obtain a property, why don't you give them this small, I mean little amount of money they're asking for? Huh?
I can't do that. No way. If this community does not want to help me and remove those rascals, then they will suffer for it.
I can never be a party to the removal of someone who saved I and my daughter's life.
No. Where una dey? Move. We there. We go. Please. Shut up. Where una dey? Now no selling money in the market. What did you want una sell? Eh? Let me conquer this side.
Mommy.
You, if you drive anyhow, the last time you drive motor for your life now. Go straight! Fast! If you drive anyhow, God die. Move this car! Sorry, sir. If you see police jammer, if you see that jammer, you have to go! Move! You saw the drive motor. I said move! Sorry. Go in this motor! Sorry!
See all this rape activity where they take place for this town. We go stop am. We go stop am where.
But you know, say this work, we do it with our mind and our stamina. Yes. And the government and the poor people that deal with us. You understand me?
Yes.
Carrot, make I tell you. I want to have already bring myself out of this issue. I have already bring myself out because of this particular issue.
Who be this bastard?
May God punish you.
They come front.
Where you hold am there?
Hold it there.
Mommy! See the hook on. Alert. What is this for?
Who speak that English?
Mona, leave the home and make it go.
So the Jasmine went somewhere that were given and not teaching how to speak English. Now father left here and there. Mona, come make a single pass and go kill them here.
I said you know we can go.
I'm going to kill this woman for this place. Mona, come make a pass.
Make God punish you 7 times. You the mad.
One kwaka. One about touch agamizu. Confirm agamizu.
Unakwaka! 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 Follow them, man! You! Go some more! Make up! Follow them!
Wait.
What has they come?
Move. Do. Hey.
Watch. You don't use gun shoot before. Anything where you see killer. Yes, sir. Not killer. No man shoot and die. You dey hear me? Yes, sir. God bless you. Oh boy, don't do. Waski!
Baba.
The dick. Baba. I may be score. You know, many people they go school, they go study lawyer, but me I go study criminology. I they play, I they score, I they dribble. So we dodge them for that play.
You sure say we don't lose them completely?
One question, we lose them anyhow. We dodge them anyhow. Back to page. My man picking. Sir? Is this sir? You call me sir just now.
Sorry.
As you dey question, as you know your boyfriend, you try to call me sir again at the last time. What did they do you? Woski. Give me. Come on, give me. Collect that wristwatch. Give me. Let that wristwatch. Say, mommy. Calm down. You know, say you don't hold. Your mate don't want you for village. Say, mommy. How much you think say this woman go wait for scale? She and Shikin will get. She get flesh now.
Baba na money o.
She get flesh. She reach 50 million. You say her. Why you see Nigerians? Why you don't underrate yourself? You know 50 million. Your husband don't love you. If you love you, go pay 50. You go pay more than 50.
I mean, make this one too now.
No, she don't hold. No, say now this market not do good again for this kind of people. Now you think you call your husband. Anything when I tell you, you go tell her. If you do any talk nonsense, the way you dodge that, so go dodge your life come out. You hear me so?
Yes, sir.
Good. Rihanna, how far? You dey phone Rihanna for Nigeria. I come be now. It not clear for your eye. Be my girlfriend. Say no, say because I don't get money. I be now. Dey my caban. Despite say when we still manage, you say you no get flesh. You be like foul feather. You say no. Woski, Dick. How much this one go wait for scale? You say she not to get flesh. I don't know how you think. She weigh 100 million, 50, 100. That's nice. Don't take away the chop. Up. Get it.
Mommy.
Move. Allah. Move! I said move! Shut up! Move! Yes. Move! Wait!
Bombasticals! Come in here. Come in here. Come in. No problem. I'll protection you. I'll protection you. Let us go in. Stay in here. Go in over there, okay? Going there, protecting them. Bombasticals! You doing kidnapping for my territory? Nonsensical. Taking cover, taking cover.
Think they can fuck this community up and get away with it. Big fools.
Okay. Relax, no problem. Relax. Just relaxing here. Looking for them. I'm taking them home. Standing up.
Mommy, we're going home.
Yes. Don't worry. Protection you. Going back. Nonsensical.
Hey, stop there! Stop there! If you make any single move there, those people don't die. So for their sake to their life, just drop that gun now! Now go kill them.
No problem.
Mommy is dropping it.
Where are you? I'm dropping gun. Allowing them going.
Izu, what till I do you? No, tell me what me do you? You see me say what? From nowhere you just come. Enter community, force yourself to be vigilante. You terrorize poor mothers. You terrorize people that know the thief. Which kind of person you be? What I do you? Eh?
I doing protection for the community. I doing vigilante for the people.
Oh, you're doing protection. You don't do protection. I beg. Leave me and my guys alone. I'm not sucking mama breast. Don't disturb my life. You didn't hear me so for today. You go hear her. Ah!
Nothing happened.
May God bless you.
They in here. They in floor. Chamo!
I suggest we give Izu some time. I strongly believe he will solve this rape issue.
Woman, now listen to me. How are we sure that he does not have a hand in it? Oh yes, the news of how he molested his girlfriend is everywhere in this town. Don't forget too that we never hired the services of Izu and his boys to work for us. He forced himself on us.
I know all about that.
Oh, but no buts, no buts. I still remain the chairman of this community, and my word is law.
Let us go, chairman.
Chairman.
Don't chairman me.
Community vigilante. This one is also Wahala. 9 be the chief security officer. Anyhow you want them, we go give them to you. Anywhere you want them, we go give them to you.
Boss. I coming to see Sandla Eze. She had mission here.
Sir, what's your name and who are you to?
I be boyfriend of her. My name be Izu Okolo.
I'm sorry, sir. She's in the ward upstairs, but the police instructed that we shouldn't allow you to see her.
Police? Police instruction I see not my girlfriend. Onto which authority? Yeah? Are you laughing at me?
No, sir. You're not the one laughing at.
Are you laughing at me?
No, sir. I'm so sorry, sir.
I speaking first, you saying I speaking again, you saying ewo. Are you laughing at me?
No, sir. I'm so sorry.
Shut up! If I slap you now.
Do no such thing, Isu Okoro.
I come in here to see my girlfriend. Nurse telling me you giving authority. I seen her not. Onto what?
You cannot see her.
Onto?
In fact, you can never see her. The reason you're still parading the street is because Sandra has refused testifying against you for assault. Otherwise, you would have been facing trial by now.
Inspector Judith, I'm respecting you. I'm respecting feeling of you, no problem. You feeling angry of what I'm doing for Sandra, no problem. You having light to feeling angry, no problem. But Inspector Judith, Sandra and me are friendship for very, very long time. Inspector Judith, you cannot put in asunder of I and Sandra. You know? Allowing me see my girlfriend and apologizing. Allowing me seeing her and apologizing unto for what I doing long. Because
you have done that countless times, Izu. You can never change. You almost assaulted a nurse here. Meaning women in general means nothing to you.
Inspector Judith, I respected you because of government. I respected you because of government. So yeah. Gamonti. Staying away from Sandler and I. You having no authority to telling me I see not my girlfriend. Me and my girlfriend fighting is nothing business of you.
Allow me see.
Allowing me seeing Sandler. If you're not allowing me see Sandler, Inspector Judith, if I entering you, you're not liking me. Allowing me see Sandler.
Allow you see who? Allow you see who? The woman the beast in you pounced on, and she lost her baby. Sandra just had a miscarriage.
Miscarriage. Hey, Mbano. Is it Chukumbano? Is it Chukonto? Hey. Hey. I planning to carry baby. Hey. Sandla. Sandla, no. Sandla, I know him not. Inspector Judith. Iko. I sorry. Inspector Judith, I know him not. I know him not Sandla having miscarriage. Please, allowing me seeing her. Allowing me seeing her and apologizing. Biko.
Stop the pretense and leave. Leave.
Inspector Judith, you be woman. You having man heart. Inspector Judith, I'm telling you I'm sorry for what I doing long. Allowing me see my girlfriend. Allowing me see my girlfriend, losing baby.
Izu, leave.
I'm expecting you for government. Remove government. I'm dealing with you. Inspector Judith, remove yourself from my load. Stopping me not.
Stop! Stop!
Inspector Judith. Inspector Judith. Pointing me gun. You pointing me gun, Inspector Judith. For me going see my girlfriend. Remove yourself from my load, Inspector Judith.
The mark on this wall will tell the government that I fired a warning shot. Izu, leave. Leave.
Inspector Judith.
Leave! Leave.
Inspector Judith.
Nurse, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Community vigilante. Is it Chupakara, community vigilante?
Yes.
Community vigilante.
Yeah. Come outside.
9 security officer. Anyhow you want them, we go give them to you.
This one wanna carry axe. When they break firewood inside. That one no be my Natasha. Madam dey inside house.
You look me finish. They ask me of madam.
Yeah. Madam don't know the house.
Okay, madam no there.
Okay. Madam, drop any message for us. Give her any money for us.
Which money?
Our normal levy now. You come new.
No money, no drop anything.
No money, no message.
Yes, no money, no message.
When that one start?
Well, you know message.
Hey, mosquito follow the cry. Well, no be your matter. Hello? Carrot? Oh, but they say no money, no message, oh. That's why I say I'm more. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah. Say, madam, not there. No message.
I don't know why it might be very difficult to understand. It didn't surprise me. Our normal money we dey collect. Don't say we dey beg una. Our normal defend we dey collect for the house matter. Una no wan give up to us. Guy, you no get as e dey be. Never call oga. We have our money. Una give us our money, more dey comot. Come, una dey mad. Una make them dey for here.
So una wear black so na uniform.
Baba, abeg. You know, sir, I dey hate insult for my life. As these people don't dey show us ruggedity level, you better make we call Chamu. You know, sir, I know they find trouble. You call Chamu now. Just call him.
Hey you. You man mad name ma afam me when I pay mommy. Eh?
As they say me call boss. Eh? Mega.
Call boss. Okay, but I've been here one mosquito where they cry. I don't know. I make
Bear anywhere.
You still they cry you.
See lizard today challenge crocodile.
Ha. Daddy. Now so we see am. They say no money, no message. Oh, you no wonder they get mind that. Shall say make we leave them say you know them.
No wonder. Now let's stop it now.
Wait. Who giving you authority to come into standing here to do protection for the building? Who giving you authority? You come into standing here to do protection for the building? Not paying money. Speakers. What is talk? What is this one talking?
This one say with the wear skirt for uniform. Imagine, say move to our oga. Yes.
You talking we is wearing skirt, black and black. Servicing him. Servicing him very well. I'm making bloody nonsense. What is he spoke? What is he spoke?
This one said, shh. You like say una dey grace. Una no get work.
You talking if we stupid?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
You talking if we stupid?
Sorry, sir.
You talking rubbish? You talking rubbish? I talking like that. I come in here to protection building. Who giving you authority to come in here and doing protection?
Sorry, sir.
Doing vigilante. You doing me work for me? Listen. What happened? What are this one saying? I not blinking money.
This one is say no money, no message, and no madam.
Who giving you authority? Who giving you authority? Bombastical. 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 You ask me what we doing? We protecting this community. Madam bringing you here to do protection for the building, not paying money. Bloody nonsense. Listen, all of you, listen. Go telling madam, vigilante for community, stopping work for this building because not paying money. Hearing me? Yes. Hearing me? If she not paying levy for protection for property, levy for construction for the building. Oh, if you are seeing any of you here, if I entering you people, remove yourself. Remove yourself from here. Remove yourself from here. Rubbish. Remove yourself.
I'm going to leave you for now because I know you don't know. So you can leave.
Michael Oba, Moa. You looking me in the eye and calling me grammatical error. Michael Oba, don't come and take. Michael Oba, I'll be station you. You looking me in the eye calling me grammatical error because you going university. You entering university and I entering not. Michael Oba, you looking me in the eye calling me grammatical error. Michael Oba, let me tell you something. I warning you this very minute. If you see me coming this way, you going the other way. If you see me taking this way, you taking that way. Because I be chief security officer for this community. Remove yourself from my load. If you're not removing yourself from my load, I will remove you from this community. I will remove you from this community. Try me. Moi, grammatical error. You looking me in the eye, calling me grammatical error. No problem. I'll be stationing you.
Hey, shut up! Come on, get out of here! Big God, you fight up! Are you mad? Are you mad? Look at it, idiot! How dare you talk to me like that?
Moi, Michael Oba, I'll ently you. If I ently you for this community, you listening to him. Okay? You listening to him calling me grammatical error. More.